Hello, my name is SHISILIA FITRI BINTI TARMIZI with the magic number of 207859.
This is IRDINA BINTI ROSZAIMI and my matrix number is 207580.
Greetings to everyone. Imagine you are having a bad day and you just want to enjoy the rest of the day listening to calm music or even an interesting podcast. However, your handphone is in a low battery state and you do not have any choice but to be stuck at the power socket nearby. Unable to move a lot and in an uncomfortable position just add on your frustration for a day. These whole situations bring me to the overall introduction of my topic today. Behind Nikola Tesla's former laboratory at Wardenclyffe on Long Island, New York, are some old foundations. They are all the remains of a 57-meter tower, which Tesla began building at 1901 as a part of an experiment to transmit information and electricity wirelessly over long distance. As we acknowledge, he failed to get electric power itself to travel very far. However, with nowadays technology advancement, I believe in the impossible. Wireless power transfer is the transmission of electrical energy without wires as a physical link. The technology can eliminate the use of the wires, thus increasing the mobility, convenience, and safety of an electronic device for all users. Wireless power transfer is useful to power electrical devices where interconnecting wires are inconvenient, hazardous, or are not possible. Thus, me and my partner will be explaining on the use of electrical transmission through air, how specifically this idea will benefit human civilization in the future. As students in engineering field, our study on electrical analysis field helped us in exploring the significance of efficiency of electricity transmission in our daily life. Our presentation today will focus on the benefits of electricity transmissions via air, which will aid in maintaining electrical appliances' battery health and able to multiple charge simultaneously.
Alright, let's jump to our first main point, which is to maintain the electrical appliances battery health. How so? Imagine this, today's generation will be working or learning online, sometimes up to more than 8 hours a day. After a long day, you find yourself feeling tired because the energy from your body is being drained. The same concept is actually being applied to a device. When you overwork or overuse your appliances, this will cause your battery to fall up to around 5% efficiency from 100%, depends on how often you use a device. However, this efficiency drop can be avoided when electrical flows through the air. This will lead up to my first reason, which is avoid overheating. How so? When the electric flows through the air, it does not cause any overheating. This is because there is no heat generated from the use of wires. The resistant motion through the wire causes the heat that leads to overheating. However, if the device is wireless, there will be no heat produced because there is no resistance happening. Therefore, this will help to keep your battery in a top condition in a long period of time. Moving to my next point, nowadays the next best friend is our phone. Statistics states that today's generation use phone up to more than 6 hours a day. Can you believe that? Thus, the more time among you use your phone, the more you need to charge it, hence causing overcharging. Overcharging a battery causes an excessive gassing because one of the components that actually helps to control the sufficient flow of electric, it isn't working. Overcharging protection is a device that is built specially in a phone that has a special feature where it helps to stop the current flow after the battery is fully charged, hence protecting the battery life.
The second point is electrical transmission through air helps in charging multiple electrical devices simultaneously. AirPod, Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth keyboards, portable drain shaker, all these items are wireless and does not cause us any frustration in handling. However, as we concern The use of Bluetooth connected items requires us to charge the items regularly, in which charging will still require the use of wire. By using air charging, multiple electrical devices can be charged simultaneously. Thus, the amount of wire used is reduced. Wire has a shorter life expectancy due to the corrosion of copper. Not only it needs to be handled with care, but it also has a limited flexibility that we cannot simply bend the wire or else it will break. These limitations are countered using air charging device. Furthermore, overuse of a single power socket to charge multiple devices will lead to overheating problem. Use of unreliable source of charging appliances which will cause even severe damage to the devices, as we have heard of cases such as smartphones exploded while charging. In addition, Mr. S. Gopakumar, an electrical committee of a national building code, stated in his journal that 40% fires in buildings are due to electrical reasons such as short circuit. Air charging device acquires certain coverage to provide optimum amount of electricity transferred without having to connect any types of cable. The efficiency of air charging may be less than normal charging, but it is verified that when charging in the coverage provided by the manufacturer will bring the optimum results, the optimal performance of the device.
In conclusion, let me sum up of all of our points. It has been proven that human civilization can be upgraded to one phase where people today can enjoy electricity at its best, such as through wireless charging devices to many more. I urge you all to make a difference in making a world to be mobile, convenient, and also safer towards your electric devices. Think about it, you will be able to experience a contact-free charging, 24/7 available electricity without having to search for cables, and also user-friendly. Thank you for listening to our presentation today. That is all. Have a nice day.